day, everyone! Welcome to another daily vlog. I've just come back from the gym. Dave's woken up.
Yep.
And we're time to go and get some food.
Yes, we need to do our weekly shop.
We need to do our very weekly shop because we haven't done a weekly shop in
a long time.
very long time.
Yep.
And we are quite scarce for food. So let's go to Aldi. Choosing our bags of choice. Oh, what is this? What is this one here? Oh, you're a cheeky one, aren't you, little snowman? You know when you look at some fitness apparel, that looks well confusing to put on. How do you put that on? I mean, it looks nice, but how do you put that on?
That's complicated, isn't it?
It does look very complicated. That seems to be my sort of water bottle. Gym now, pizza later. Seen these? How cute are these? These are self-adhesive things to cover your old furniture. And I've just seen this exfoliating mud mask. Do you reckon this could be a dupe to the Glam Glow? Maybe? Oh, it's gone really dark. Oh, look! Ooh!
It's like a spotlight.
It's a spotlight now. What's going on? Oh, that was really fun. See this?
Yeah?
Yeah?
You ready for it?
Yeah.
This is our version of hamburger helper. Just without the meat. But it's still the same. Still the same.
Ooh, this looks really nice. Blueberry and vanilla and chili and ginger.
Sounds good.
How much are they?
20 quid.
Oh, £20? All done. Time to go.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeeze.
Ta-da! Food shop! It's so nice to have some food in the kitchen for once. Should we see what we got? Because you know, we all like a bit of an Aldi haul. Come on, let's admit it. So first one we've got. Absolutely loving this protein granola. Love it. So we got one of those. I'm gonna try out these cheeky little spicy chili flavored peanuts. So we've got some lighter mature cheese. We've got a pack of bulgur wheat, quinoa and whole grain. And another one which is whole grain and quinoa. We've got some pink marshmallows. That is for Dave's Chef Dave. We've got a super seeded loaf. We've got some red hot buffalo wing sauce. And we've got some strawberry sauce as well. This is for Dave's Chef Dave as well. We've got 3 packs of pasta and sauce, 1 cheese leek and ham. We've got chicken and mushroom, and we've got macaroni and cheese. They're good for lunch, for work. We wanted to try these things out, instant noodles with bacon flavour. Never seen the bacon flavour before. And beef flavour as well. We've got 2 packets of the sea salt and lime corn tortillas because they are just, they're beautiful. We have got some Chinese chicken stir fry meal kit, and we've got some more chicken breast fillets. What else have we got? So we've got some Greek yogurt. We've got some garlic. We're going to try these out because they were 50% off, and they were raspberry and pomegranate yogurts. Oh, sounds tasty. Found these little things that we thought these would be quite nice. One is a Texan barbecue cooking sauce, and another one is a smoked maple cooking sauce. That sounds really lovely. We've got 2 soya unsweetened. We've got a creamy tomato pasta bake sauce. We've got some surface cleaner as well. We have got some antibacterial hand wash, which is splashy strawberry, and it smells like strawberry laces. It's kind of similar to the Carex fizzy strawberry scent, but it kind of smells like the strawberry laces that don't have sugar on them, if you get what I mean. So it smells really good. It smells good. And we've got some more fabric softener as well, which is white peach and musk. We've got some more ibuprofen. We've got some eggs. We've got some tangerines or satsumas. Got some more wraps. Got some sweet potatoes, got some bananas, cucumber, celery, apples. Going to try this out, which is Thai style vegetables, which has got sugar snap peas, bok choy, yellow carrot, red pepper, bean sprouts, red onion and garlic sprouts. Sounds good. And my all-time favourite, that is the giant couscous with vegetables. Love, love, love. So there we go. That's our shopping. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we've got 6 bottles of still water and we've got 2 of the Cola Zero ZX. Yeah, so we've got them as well. So there we have it. That's my shopping. Time to put it away. Oh, I got some scourers as well. I got some scourers, so there we go. Time to put it all away.
We're out again, just after going from Aldi. We're here in Primark to see if Lion King has arrived, and no, except for the half flannel. We
I found something that's amazing.
What did you find? How adorable is that?
You have to admit, this is so cute.
He's very fluffy. Forget glass slippers. This princess wears running shoes.
Now, if that doesn't scream Run Disney, I don't know what does. How amazing is this?
It's a Central Perk cup.
It's not just a cup though.
Oh, it's a caramel cappuccino candle.
Thought you'd like that.
That's very cute.
Joey doesn't share food. I know someone else who doesn't share food.
Yeah, you.
Apparently this is New York cheesecake.
Is it? Looking at all the Harry Potter stuff.
This is actually a really nice pillow. It's got a cushion.
It's fluffy.
The detailing on it's really nice. It's
nice. Got candles, you got more cushions.
It actually smells really nice.
It's rose garden and musk scented. Can you imagine wearing this when you're on the plane over to Florida?
Oh, that'd be amazing.
How freak people out.
Wait.
Eye masks. Imagine you sleeping. There you go. You could, that's cosplay. But you can't see though. Pulling it off.
Do you like my new eyes?
It's lovely.
I like that.
It's a nice bag, nice backpack with some.
I like the hat.
Harry Potter hat.
Some jewellery.
Some more jewellery. You've got throws down here. Hedwig cushion or plush, whatever you want to use. We've got some more throws there. London to Hogwarts Express. They are cool, aren't they? Pretty awesome, and even a bedsheet as well. Of course, with Mickey Mouse 90th birthday, 90 years of magic. They've also got their stuff as well, like mirrors.
They still sell these.
LEDs, yep.
I use these for Vlogmas.
I remember you did, yeah. I like this as well, that's really nice.
I love it.
And then they also got these wooden crates with like Mickey's outside, which would be nice.
The struggle's real.
Struggle's real.
I know.
I know that
feeling.
Got a Pluto pyjama set.
This would look awesome if you were travelling on the plane. Look,
Yeah.
It's got matching like
Trousers.
leggings as well.
Yeah.
How comfy, how awesome would you look on a plane with this?
You would look like cool like that.
That would be really cool.
They
Look,
got
£2.50 for these. Look at them.
And then a watermelon one, which is really cute.
They're so amazing.
They're amazing. We're in Poundland right now.
You can get purple glitter or blue glitter hairspray.
How cool is that? They even do unicorn magic shower and bath stuff as well.
Unicorn chop.
That's cool.
What's Dave's flavour? Tell me what Dave's flavour.
Salt. Salt flavoured popcorn. Righty guys, so we are back home from the day out of shopping and doing the weekly food shop. I'm going to be making some dinner. We're actually going to be live streaming it on YouNow, but I'm going to be making some. We're going to be making some chicken wings, and we got this smoked maple cooking sauce, which we bought from Aldi. We're going to try it. It serves for 4, so we'll just use half. I presume you can just like marinate it, I think. So we're just going to give that a try, see how it turns out, and then have some chicken wings with dinner. So yummy. So I've got all the chicken wings kind of prepped and oiled in the tray, ready to go in the oven, because I want to have majority of the stuff prepped before we actually have the live stream. And then when we do the live stream, we use my phone, and it's literally just topped on a tripod.
Here we go. Our YouNow chat is going on. Hi guys. Hi guys. We're just about to finish now to eat our dinner. But you guys have been awesome. Love you guys.
Bye.
Right guys, gonna love you and leave you. Oh look, hi.
Hi.
Whoop whoop whoop. Oh, look at the little avocado.
With the live stream all done, the chicken wings are all cooked. Just having a bit of mayonnaise with them, and we're gonna enjoy.
Nom 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 nom.
Num 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 num.
Beautiful. Yum num. There we
She's
go.
eating both.
There's Jess. Logan's just over there.
Chilling.
He's like, I want to come over, but I'm very comfy right now. Oh, see, there we go. Here's the laziness. Oh no, he's coming up now.
This is the ASMR of the noises. Oh no, she's moved.
Wait.
Oh, is it the camera?
Oh, she's done now.
Always
She's done
the
the camera shot.
Come on. Come on.
She doesn't want to do it. Never work with animals. Oh, she'll just eat that one over there.
There you go, there's your ASMR there.
There we go. How satisfying is that? We totally forgot to finish the vlog last night.
We did, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Whoopsie.
Well,
time got the better of us.
it did.
So, you know, but we're going to end it now. So thank you very much for watching today's video. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, if you did like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. And let us know in the comment section if you are liking us doing Vlogust.
Yes, if you're enjoying the...
Even though it's day 2.
It is day 2, yes. But let us know how you guys are enjoying it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you get noted of our future videos, which of course is tomorrow.
Yeah, Dave is actually setting up and doing it right now for you guys. That's the Chef Dave video.
Yeah, so we shall see you tomorrow, guys. Take
Yeah,
care.
bye.
Bye.